What if your cleaning robot wasn't just powerful, but actually smarter than you expect? Not the kind that just bumps into furniture, but one that learns your home, climbs over obstacles, and even recharges fast enough to keep going when most would quit. Ecovacs has just unveiled a machine that promises to change what we think a floor cleaning robot can do. It's not only about suction power or fancy mops. This one hides a feature that could make disposable dust bags a thing of the past. And once you hear how it works, you may never look at cleaning the same way again. Meet the Deebot X11 OmniCyclone, Ecovacs' newest flagship built for homes with bigger spaces. At its core is PowerBoost charging, restoring 6% battery in just 3 minutes, enough to keep a 6,400 milliamp-hour battery cleaning up to 1,000 square meters on a single session. But raw power is only half the story. The X11 cleans with precision. Its Osmo Roller 2.0 mop spins at 200 RPM, applying steady pressure while a continuous water flow, compatible with cleaning detergent, lifts stubborn stains. Add to that a 19,500 PA suction system, and carpets or hard floors don't stand a chance. And for those tricky corners, Ecovacs has extended its edge cleaning reach to 1.5 centimeters, while a clever climbing mechanism uses rotating levers and rubber grips to step over 2.4 centimeters thresholds and even clear 4 centimeter steps. But the real leap forward comes when you dock it. The OmniCyclone station ditches wasteful dust bags for a cyclone separation system. That means less waste, less hassle, and with a 1.6-liter container, you can go up to 48 days before emptying. Finally, there's the intelligence. The new Agent YIKO AI assistant learns your household routines, maps layouts, and automatically adjusts suction, water flow, and navigation in real time. It's a robot that doesn't just follow commands, it adapts. So here's the big reveal. While many robot vacuums make you buy and replace bags endlessly, the X11 OmniCyclone offers a sustainable, bagless system without compromising convenience. That's the innovation hidden in plain sight. And that's what makes this machine different. At €1,299, the Deebot X11 OmniCyclone comes bundled with its docking station, mop rollers, brushes, and water tanks. It's not just another robot vacuum. It's a glimpse into the future of home cleaning. Smarter, stronger, and more sustainable. Would you trust a robot like this to take over your cleaning? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech insights.